Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is The Dolphins by Carol Ann Duffy, poem number 3. This poem is for class 11 as well as for class 12. Let me remind you the name of the book. It's Reverie, a collection of ISC poems. Before starting the poem, let me tell you something about the poet. Carol Ann Duffy is a reputed Scottish poet. She is known for her feminist writing in which she deals with such pressing issues as gender discrimination, oppression, and violence. She has been honored and awarded by various literary associations, government and non-government bodies. Now, let me tell you something about the poem. The Dolphin by Duffy is about the abuse of wildlife, exploitation of animals, and the enmity between man and nature. It is a dramatic monologue. Now, what is dramatic monologue? Dramatic monologue means a poem in which the speaker is speaking. Now, in this poem, the dolphin is speaking. Okay, there are no other speakers except from the dolphin. So, it is the monologue. And in this poem, dolphins are trapped, in water park along with others. Dolphin tells us about the dolphin's happy, free life in the ocean and the experience in the limited space of the water tank. As dolphins have to move in a limited space, they lead only a monotonous life. The dolphin then recalls the time when they were in the sea. Thus, this poem is a kind of protest against man's attitudes towards other creatures. Now let's start from here. World is what you swim in or to dance. It is simple. The dolphin is telling that world means in which you live. We are in our element but we are not free. Dolphin is telling, we are in our element but we are not free. Outside this world you cannot breathe for long. Other has my shape. Now look what the dolphin is telling. A dolphin confined to a pool contrasts its previous free life in the ocean with its present one. Previous free life in the ocean with its present one. It shares its space with another of its kind. The dolphin says that it is in its element in water, so as to say, yet it is not free as it is used to be, because once the dolphin used to remain in ocean, but now dolphin is entrapped and confined within the artificial water pool of the water park. And now the dolphin is having one man, that is the instructor. And what is the instructor doing? Controlling over the dolphin and make them show different tricks according to his signal. There are hoops. Hoops means large rings for animal to jump through. Now, there is a constant flowing guilt. Now, what is this guilt? It refers to the necessity in an artificially created aquatic habitat where water has to be pumped into the pool. Nothing is natural. Water has to be pumped into the pool. It is guilt because the system is unnatural and hence unsustainable. Now, the next para, we have found no truth in these water. What dolphin is telling that there is no truth in these water. No explanation tremble on our flesh. No explanation tremble on our flesh. We were blessed and now we were not blessed. Dolphin is telling that previously they were blessed but now they were not blessed. Now they are not blessed. A dolphin is known to receive a lot of information through its skin. It has highly developed sonar. And yet in this new world, new world means this water park, it is unable to make any sense of its existence. There is no explanation as to why it is there. It does not find any truth in this new world. Dolphin does not find any truth in this new world. Only thing the dolphin can understand is that once they were blessed, once they were blessed and now they are not blessed. The limited space in the pool which they have to travel again and again has become monotonous. Thus their life is becoming monotonous. The single space, it's the same space always and above. It is the man. Up to this much. In my next video, I will continue with this poem. Until then, goodbye.